I'm live again, hopefully. No, you're not able to. Okay. Hmm. Hopefully this time you're able to see uh, the screen. Hopefully, supposedly, this is like, apparently, this is like, this is what's happening right now. Okay, this is Debian. I have installed Scala yesterday, and we are experimenting an error. It says that it can execute Java. Why is that? Okay, Java is installed. Okay, this session, it was intended to be for a problem solving session in the Advent of Code website. Instead, since I didn't took note of this, since I didn't test the installation yesterday, now we are seeing this. Okay, we have Java Home. Java Home is not defined correctly. What's this? We need to append the absolute path, you know. So we I have just paste. This will require us to okay, to finish my sentences. I have just written. Yeah, I have just written the only the name of the folder, but we need to provide the absolute path in order to find it with this. Okay, you're seeing this because I am unable to see my keyboard because it's down below here because of the laptop. Okay. I need to find a way to fix this setup. Okay. Because this is no bueno. Where in the world does this? Okay. User local shell. In here we installed Scala, as you can see, and SVT. Well, we need to find where is Java. where Java ended up being installed, because I have installed Java from the Oracle website. I have downloaded the DEB package and installed with the dpkg command. I didn't perform a manual installation, so we need to find where does the JDK live. JDK PHP. I have installed PHP. I have yet to write something with PHP. It is all this screencast is because I need to record myself writing something in PHP. Okay, so JDK, no JDK. Well, I need to grep JDK, nothing. So how does this find dog? I'm not sure why. I think I'm copy pasting the whole name instead to see if we obtain better results. Okay, now we have our winner. Now we need to update this bin. Sorry, with path. I think if we paste it over here, okay, this should work. Now we need to source the script. Instead I want to, sorry, instead I will open a new terminal. Let us see. Okay. 3.3.1. Okay. Since we are set up, hopefully you are seeing all of this, because in the previous live testing I didn't notice that the screen wasn't being shared, so I was just talking and with you being unable to see the screen. We are going to create a folder, Scala land. Why Scala land? Because we have PHP land, Java land, Scala land, and switch to the recently created folder. Okay. Now adding the code, it seems like a little bit late, but I am already in. Can you see this? I don't know. I started, but then I got busy writing some kind of book, some article, and I was taking a look after this day, the fifth day. I didn't have the chance to even see the problem descriptions. I stopped it here, and this seemed like a good opportunity, because it seems like a problem that you can tackle in a couple of hours, and not 6 hours. I don't know. Probably, I don't know. I just see these numbers, and but let us see. Okay, the gondola takes you up strangely. Okay, and as you see, this is part of the story. Very enjoyable. You will be you will be you will be overjoyed if you read these descriptions. Like, I don't know how to make sure if you're seeing this, because it was like shocking recording 45 minutes without the screen share. It was silly. Thank God you know that these are testing on the screencast setups. So the elf has been able to figure it out. You have to figure out which of the numbers you have appear in the list of winning numbers. The first match makes the card worth 1 point. This won't take me 1 hour. This will take me like 3 hours. We will see. I won't spend too much of your time. If I see that this is going like for longer than I am expecting, we'll end this live and solve the problem at my own leisure. I don't want. I like to enjoy these problems. I am not rushing myself to write solutions. Probably that's a problem, because, well, on the job you have hard deadlines and you have to deliver, because within the sprint, at any given sprint. But if you are studying on your own, maybe you want to enjoy the stuff instead of pushing yourself too hard. I don't know. It's up to you. The first match makes the card worth 1 point, and each match after the first doubles the point value of that card. Okay, something changed. Yeah, it was a little traumatic record. I'm very slow. 14 minutes, and I'm just reading this, and I'm not finishing reading the description. As far as the card, the first match makes the card worth 1 point, and each match after the first doubles the point value of that card. For example, these are the examples. Okay, these are quite several numbers. In the above example card, 1 has the card 1 Sorry. Card 1 has 5 winning numbers. 41, 48, 83, 86, and 17. Seems like each card, at least in here, will have 5 winning numbers. We don't know. At least these have, according to them, 5 winning numbers. 41, 48, 83, 86, 17, and 8 numbers. You have the one on the right side, the ones on the right side, separated by this pipe symbol. 83, 86, 6, 31, 17, 9, 40, 48, and 53. One of the numbers you have 4 of them. 48, here it is. 83, here it is. 17, and 86 are winning numbers. Yes, that means card 1 is worth 8 points. 1 for the first match, which will be 48, that's 1 point. Then doubled 3 times for each of the 3 matches after the first. "48", that's the first match, that's 1 point. 83, according to this description, this should be 2, but you will see, I was reading this like a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, more than a week ago, but I didn't tackle her, but it's, I don't know, it's okay. 48, that's the first point. 83, according to this description, this should be 2, because it doubles. Or maybe I'm not understanding quite well. It doubled 3 times for each of the 3 matches after the first. Every new win, it should be doubled. So this is the first one. This should be 2, so there is 3 now. This should be 4 plus 3. This is 7. And this should be 8. This by itself, 8 is this value, so that's not the invariant. So again, 48, this one. 83, we will assign 1 here. And 17, maybe this is a wrong assumption, but let us see. We will assign 1 point to this, even when it's not doubling this one. 1 and 1, 2. But this doubles. Okay, 1. This doubles 2. This doubles 4. This doubles 8. Okay. 1 for the first winning number. The second number will double the already number of points. The subsequent numbers will double the already existing points. We have 1, we double, now we have 2, so far 2. We have another winning number, but we need to double 2, 4. We have 4 points so far. We have another winning number. Winning points so far 4. We need to double 4, that's 8. Okay. Card 2 has 2 winning numbers, 30. That's okay. TL5 scratch card is worth 13 point. Why? 2 plus 2, 4. Plus 1, 5, 0, 0, plus 8, 13. Take a seat in the large pile of colorful cards. How many points are they worth in total? Okay, and you need to write 20 minutes. So far, this is the time flies over here over YouTube. Okay, we need to write a program to help us to, we're going to download the input link address, and we need to perform a curve. Let us see what happens, because I think we need to okay, I need to download to the download folder and then bring the input over here. That's okay. Else okay, now we need to bring the downloaded file. So here okay, we have our data ready to be tackled. Now we need to counting numbers. How do you like to pouch elf counting? Alright, okay, I will use the Scala for this one. And to read the file, I will bring some code that I already have in, because I tackled the first problem, if you remember. Those colors on fire, the map. I don't remember which one it was. Because I want to use the using mechanism to close the file automatically. Well, I'm not sure if I will remember if I will. I don't think I have. Going to see what's in background. What's HR and days? This is like this. In here we are not writing anything, so okay. Max subarray. Again, this is not related to. Well, perhaps I did. I did not save that. It seems like. Take a look what else is in here. Because I will open Ubuntu with a black background. Because that wine background doesn't allow me to this is better coloring for me at least. Okay, chapter 9 of AOC, here it is, Advent of Code. That was my intention to do the whole stress, the whole thing, the chat. December 1 until December, more than 20 days without. I need to fix this inconsistency. Okay. Now taking a look at. Okay, I did want to copy and paste this part. I got this from a training course that I did more than a year ago. Effective programming in Scala. I didn't memorize this code snippet, so I am always copy pasting this part because it is it uses this close, I suppose, to close the file automatically. To manage resources in a good way. So I will copy. Where is Debian elf counting touch elf counting? In fact, we can, now that we have this open, we can also take advantage of this import. But I thought I will need to take a look on your time, because I don't. We're going only. We will close this streaming at 3 hours, because it's not. It is intended to test the screen sharing, the quality of the final product, the streaming, and not exactly for you to see me, solve a problem. That's not. Hopefully, that's not the intention. So we shall put an alarm here, because I don't want for you to waste your time. Instead, go and solve a problem and share the results. I don't know, it's up to you. Do as you please. Okay, 4 p.m. Yeah. Maybe I will solve this even after the hour. I'm not sure. I have other things to do. Trebuchet, Rebadis. Yeah, let's start copying this. Okay. Again, the keyword. Need to find a way to have something. No, it is like a warning. If you want to to actually paste the whole. I actually copy and paste in this section too, because perhaps in the future we will be just telling to the terminal create a directory, and a folder will appear, a directory will be created without us writing anything. I'm not sure. In the meantime, we have to write. And if you're learning a new programming language, it is recommended for you to actually type, to write, to build muscle memory instead of copy pasting. Yeah, okay. Now we can have our main method. It is, since they only ask for a number, we will perform the same strategy, to just print new stuff. Great, I am learning to use B. fight switch from the modern era to the 80s, but these are great tools, definitely. Of course, if you are if you are able to take advantage of an IDE with code generation, just go for it. All right. What else we can grab from here before leaving? Cases, case, success. We only care about the success. I think at the beginning we are going to iterate, before having the final answer. We can leave this. We can leave this alone. Now we to our method will be called count winning numbers, like a good name. Now we're going to press CW, change this word. Oh my god, I was not in command mode here, not in the command mode, so I'm going to, since I am learning alphabet B, I'm going to change it with it. Oh my god, again, probably okay, we're in the command mode with the L navigating. Apparently CW changed the word, since I am okay. Look at the dollar sign. Count winning numbers. You can also navigate with the arrows. I am using this website to teach myself B. It is a great resource. I am thinking of writing like a set of exercises and publish based on these instructions or commands, definitions, descriptions, and to share it with you, and if, in the case you want to also learn BI editor. We will probably paste this in the description. Okay. Count in numbers. This is a method, but I'm not sure what's the best practice put in parentheses empty argument list, or to leave it like this for the Scala people, to be happy and to follow the best practices. I will leave it like this and then indicate a little bit more. Okay. Now we're going to that file. Since our file have like only, okay, we don't need a dummy input. It will be good. It will help to have only the first 10 cards, for example. Okay. But it's not like that's very good. Let us have a easier, and it's a small subset of the data, so we can perform. Now if I remember the yanked command, it will be, I'm not sure if it takes the first line. Okay, we are about to see, this video ended being like showcasing of the editor instead of the admin of code. That's okay. It wasn't the original intention. The original intention. Okay, nothing. It seems like it is unable to bring the lines over here. Let's try again. Okay. Okay, there is a way to open both files in in the editor, I'm not doing it right now. I also don't want to delete the lines. What we can do is manually, selecting or copy and then delete once we are inside. Still not. Okay. Now we have our dummy. I don't remember. Okay, I pressed 182 and TD, and now we have a dummy with only 10 lines. This is the one that we are going to be reading in the okay, in our dummy input F. Okay. Since this is try, I'm going to match on the cases, and the cases are success and failure. Data. Yes, and we don't care about the failure. For the to see if we are able to now we're going to go with -1. Now okay, we need to have our sort of intermediate method. Calculate we need to process let us take a look at the data. Need to somehow to send this. We need to make like a substring after the first space, just before the column. After that, we need to split our string, this one, with this pipe, and you will end with this string and this string. After that, you will be split with the spaces for the two strings, and you will end now with the elements 17, 45, 9, 81, 96, etc. And again, you can like split here with the spaces to have a list to compare. And for each one of these doesn't mention if, for example, 77 is again here. If it is repeated, it is not mentioned how it will be handled. So okay, 70s. In the case these aren't repeated, for each one of these elements in the list, you will be looking with maybe you'd like to filter over this. Let us see again. These are the winning numbers. Okay, you want to filter out this list, filter such that element exists in here, in this list. So you will end with 83, 86, 17, 48, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Let's suppose you have 5 winning numbers. The next value, since you have already 8 for 1, 2, 3, 4, you have 8. The next value for a 5th winning number, it will be 16. So it seems like a good way to calculate that result is to use powers of 2. You know, 2 to the 4th is 16, so it will be 2 to the n minus 1, where n is the number of winning numbers you have in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, 3, 2 to the 3, 8, in the case you have 5 winning numbers. 2, 5 minus 1, 4, 2 to the 4, 16. That's your math, that's your overall result. Now let's suppose you have 3 numbers. 3 numbers instead of like 4. So it will be 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 to the 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, which is 1, 2, 4. Now you have 2 like in here. 2 minus 1, 1, 2 to the 1, 2. Okay, 2. Now, in the case you have 1 number, 1 minus 1, 0. 2 to the 0, by definition, is 1. We are still good. But now, if you reach nothing, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. And we need to check that as the list is top empty, we perform uh, um, the invariant we have just find out, you know. But the part it seems like an easy task. The only labor that we need to do, you know, thinking is great, coming with pseudocode. At some point you need to code this stuff, and for me this will be like looking for, this is what I call labor. Okay, so it's okay, we need to do it, but we don't need to do it, but we like to do it. In the case we have a success, then we send the data, which will be well, this comes to an end, thank God. Because but it will be a second. I was just, a friend is visiting me, so alright.